Welcome back to Infra Alpha. Today's video, we have modeling dual tranche structures. So typically what you're going to have is a common terms agreement where your primary credit factors are agreed on and set in one set of documents to ensure that you can't issue additional indebtedness. You have a similar DSCR. You don't have early maturities for one tranche or early amortizing structures. So this governing document basically sets up how your two debt tranches speak to one another. And then from there, you're just going to have your market dynamics. You're going to have different debt buyers who will have different appetites. So you're usually going to have a tranche with a lower interest rate and some preferred terms that you like from a debt issuer. So what I've set up here is our simple set of cash flows and our constrained CFADS. But this is really where two tranches deviate. You need to first allocate the CFADS. So I'm going to allocate two constrained CFADS based on the issuance percentages or how much you want to issue in each market. So you're going to allocate your constrained CFAD to each tranche, as you need to know what is the set of constrained CFADs for each set of debt, which would then drive the amortization. So once you've allocated your constrained CFADs, you're going to set up your discount factors based on the prevailing rate in each of the tranches. So these discount factors are like we set up every discount factor. You're going to have a 1 before your sizing period and then simply 1 plus your periodic interest rate in each of these periods to get you your discount factor. So that's going to get you your actual debt size per tranche. Your issuance is pretty straightforward. Whenever your financial close is times your debt quantum. And then you're going to get down to amortization for each of the tranches. So we're just going to do a negative max min, your opening balance plus your issuance, your constrained CFADs applicable to the tranche plus your interest, and a max of 0. So that's going to be your amortization per tranche. So the only thing you're going to do on the second tranche that's different is change the constrained CFAD. So you're going to use tranche B's constrained CFAD. And your first check is just going to be, are they amortizing right in line with your cash flows? So that's a good sign. The next thing you got to do is tabulate your consolidated debt service. So just adding up the debt service per tranche. And then your DSCR is going to be just like every other DSCR, but you're going to use your global CFADs versus your allocated CFADs. And that's essentially how you're going to do a tranche by tranche sizing exercise. And there's definitely nuances to how you can set this up. So you can go in and have interest only periods and amortize one tranche faster than the other, as long as it's in line with your common terms agreement. I hope you enjoyed the short little video here today, and please feel free to send me any questions you have or any models you have. Some individuals sent me an airport model today, and that was the impetus of today's dual tranche video, building these little exercises to make really simple the mechanic. Project finance modeling should be generally really simple. It's just having a good understanding of what you're trying to achieve in each of your mechanics that encapsulate a really strong model. So if you like the video today, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.